All right, I want to introduce you to this sock ruler from Katrinkles, which we carry at the shop. It's really a handy thing if you're going to be a sock knitter. What you do is you stand with your heel here, and then it will measure, and it's got women's and men's. And I measure a 9.5, which is exactly what my shoe size is. And so once you know that, then you're going to take your sock and you're going to insert the ruler into your sock. Now, socks should have negative ease. That means they're smaller and they stretch to fit. And so the toe that I like to do is 1.5 inches long. I also want to cut 1/2 inch off of my size. So I would come up here and I'd say I'm a 9.5 right here, meaning I want to get it to 9, meaning that I need to knit my toe, which is 1.5 inches. And so I am spot on at my 7.5 inches to begin my toe. And again, you want to push it down into your heel, and you want it fairly snug. You don't want to stretch it, but you do want it snug to get to that. The other thing that our pattern will tell us is to put this marker here, and that would be what we would measure. So if you didn't have a sock ruler, but you figured out what your fit is on your sock, then we would take, at this point, a tape measure, put it in where our marker is, and take it up here to where we're finishing, and that's 5.5. And I do know that that is what I need to do. So whether you use a sock ruler or whether you get your fit and then you use your tape measure, you'll have your exact numbers.